So hey guys, we are in jungle and we have these things. Let's hide this in this jungle one by one. Let's do this. First, we have this yellow car. Broom, broom. Let's hide this. Where we can hide this? Oh, let's hide this here. Yes. Let's hide this. Oh, let's choose a bike, friends. A bike. Vroom. So let's hide this. Where? Let's hide this here. Friends. Oh my god, friends. We have this transformer car also. Whoa. Let's hide this here. Oh friends, we have an aeroplane, a big size aeroplane from Airbus Super. Let's hide this. Zoom. Let's hide this here, friends. Let's hide this here. Whoa, friends. Let's choose another one. Oh, friends. Accidents. It's happened. Oh, friends, we have an oil tanker. Let's hide this. Where? Here. Oh, friends, let's see. Oh, friends. Oh, we have another one plane. It's a seaplane. Let's hide this also. Oh, we'll hide this here. Oh, let's choose this one. A crane. Let's hide this. Let's hide this here. And oh friends, a turtle. Let's hide this here. Oh friends, a skateboard. Let's hide this here. Oh friends, we have let's do this aircraft, friends. Where we can hide it? Let's hide it here. Oh friends, we have only left 3 ones. Let's hide these 2 cars. Here. Oh friends, let's hide this yellow old design car here. Oh friends, we have a green color auto. Let's hide this also. We will hide this here. Oh friends, we got this SpongeBob pink color SUV car. Let's hide this also here. So friends, as you can see, our box is empty. Like the video, share the video, subscribe the channel. Bye bye.